Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer audio from OBS into Adobe Audition, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer audio from OBS into Adobe Audition, begin by launching OBS Studio. Next, navigate to the audio sources where your desired audio is located. Select the audio source you want to transfer. In the lower right corner, click on the Settings button. Once in the Settings menu, select the Output tab. Here, ensure that the audio is set to Advanced. Under the Recording section, set the audio format to WAV for choose a destination folder where your audio file will be saved. After configuring the settings, click OK to close the Settings menu. Now, start your recording in OBS by clicking the Start Recording button. Let OBS capture the audio you want to transfer. When finished, click on the Stop Recording button. Open the destination folder to locate your recorded audio file. Next, launch Adobe Audition on your computer. In Adobe Audition, go to the File menu. Select Open to browse for your audio file. Locate the WAV file you just recorded in OBS. Click on the file and then click Open to import it into Audition. Once your audio is loaded, you can edit and process it as needed. Save your work frequently to avoid any data loss. You have now successfully transferred audio from OBS into Adobe Audition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.